we're the only passengers.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So, pinakyaw ni Brian.
The only group.
Brian
Yeah.
only pay all
VIP. We have a VIP class here.
Yeah.
We're going to Lake
Oh,
Marine right now, and
Okay.
then next is
Lake
Lake
Louise.
Lake
Louise.
Louise, and then the next one,
Calgary.
The next one is come back here.
So it's just two sites.
Yeah,
Lake
it's
Marine and
about 4-hour trip.
4 hours.
Yeah, 4 hour to 4.5 hour.
Yeah,
Remember,
we pay 3 hours.
3 hours,
Yeah,
so we
that's good.
still have to
Yeah, that's good.
add for 1 hour.
Oh, you have an app, right?
Yeah.
we have
Okay, great.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
What is that?
Hey,
Are you a Chinese?
nice to meet you. Yes. What about you guys?
We're Filipinos. And then the other one is
Oh, the
Mexican.
Mexicans. Okay.
But we're not the same, right?
Because of the color.
Oh yeah, you are.
That's why
yeah, same like
The
us.
Mexican,
Yeah.
the Mexican,
Yeah.
the Mexican.
We're
looks like
Asian.
us.
We are all Asian. Yeah.
We're Asian. That's why. We share similarities.
Yeah.
The color, the eyes,
Yeah.
the size of the dick. Oh, sorry, John. Sorry, John.
But the Mexican have a
Small dick.
no.
Small dick?
More.
Ano?
Oh, you did. But we are.
So meaning to say 4 hours away from Banff,
It's 1
Lake
hour from
Moraine,
Banff.
and then
We're going to Lake Marine. Yeah.
4 hours away from Banff, right?
Yeah.
And then
From
from
Banff. Yeah, we are driving
from Lake Moraine to
Lake
Lake
Louise.
Louise, how many
20 minutes.
minutes?
Yeah, 20 minutes.
Ah, okay, it's just
So
closer.
very close. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Calgary.
1 hour driving. Where are you gonna come? Go back tonight, or are you gonna stay here?
Stay
gonna
here
stay
for
here.
one night again. So tomorrow, Monday.
Stay in the town.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, and then by tomorrow we're gonna head to Golden Sky Bridge.
Oh, okay.
To spend a little bit money there. So to
Oh,
some
just
activities.
gondola or
Yeah. Pipe coaster. Or,
okay.
Yeah.
So you guys have your swimming clothes ready?
Yep, we have.
Oh, with it.
You can go do a hot spring tonight.
to where?
Where?
Hot spring, yeah, Banff hot spring, very good, very
Hot spring?
famous.
Oh, the hot,
Hot
spring.
spring.
Yeah,
The hot spring.
Yeah, yeah, hot spring.
That's good.
You know, sir, what I am thinking is you have a lot of passengers.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
I guess because
We're expecting, yeah.
because we're expecting that we will be having small bus, so I guess 15
Mm-hmm.
passengers. But we're not expecting that we're the only passengers you have.
But
Oh,
anyway,
that's
we are.
the late shift. In the morning shift, we have more people.
Oh,
But
So lots of
anyway,
people
we
there.
are VIP here.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah.
drink beer here.
You know what? It's now it's getting dark at 10 o'clock, so
Oh, yeah.
we have a
That's
long
good,
day.
yeah.
So,
Long day.
but people choose to the
Come early.
morning shift because they want something to do in town in the afternoon. You know,
This is Banff town.
this is Banff town. The first time you came here, all of you,
No.
Twice maybe.
oh twice, okay. This